Hello viewers, my name is Asante. Welcome to our channel. Join us today as we head out to our kitchen garden to plant a very important vegetable. Enjoy!
The three young farmers, Kanzi, Asante and Taji, are preparing to leave for the kitchen garden.
Today we are going to plant leeks.
Come on guys, let's go!
Now this is where we are going to prepare the leek seed bed and then plant the leek.
What is leek?
I think leek is a cousin to bulb onion, spring onion or perhaps garlic.
Correct. Leeks and their cousins are members of the allium family. And now let's start.
The young farmers will start by uprooting the weeds. Then dig to prepare the seed bed. Pour the compost manure and mix it with the soil. But before they proceed, they shall construct a homemade channel maker for the seedlings. Using a pipe and a rake. They shall now make the planting channels and add the seeds. To prevent the seedlings from direct sunlight, mulching the seedbed is very important. Finally, they shall water the seedbed. Then wait for 8 weeks for the seeds to germinate. The young farmers are back at the kitchen garden to check the progress of the leeks and perhaps transfer them into the garden.
Now our leeks have germinated, though not all, but we have enough to transfer to the garden.
Yes, let's go!
The young farmers will now uproot the leeks and then transfer them to the garden. Dig a hole that is 15 centimeters deep. The distance between the leek holes should be 20 centimeters apart. Add 2 handfuls of manure on each leek's hole. Mix the manure with the soil. Plant the leeks. The kitten could not be left out of the action. Then finally, water the seedbed.
are leeks good to eat?
Leeks are a good source of vitamin A, C, and K. They help our blood to clot in case of an injury. They also strengthen our immune system and helps our heart's health, and so many more. I hope you have enjoyed our video today and learned more about planting leeks and some of the nutritional value it adds to our body. See you next time as you join Kanzi as he shares an African folk tale that you don't wanna miss. Bye!